Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I'm going to spread some paint. I think I'm going to start at the horizon. I'm going to use some dazzling white just to help things move. And I want pink and blue in my sky. So I'm going to use some titanium light blue, which I should probably, quick like a bunny, have a shake. And in order to make it more of a color that I like, I've pulled out some Cerulean C, which is a much more turquoisey bright blue, which is almost out, which is why it was on its side. And which is why it's going to stay on its side, because I might want some more. Now, Oriental blue is basically an extender. I've probably got as much or more paint than I need right there right now. So I'm going to add the pink diamond I was contemplating. And just have some fun for a minute spreading some paint. Fast forward hopefully, and then I'll do the bottom. That's good for right now, I think. Although I say that, and then I change my mind. Sky part 1 done. I'm going to clean off my spatula. I've got Ginger Peach, which is a primary element, which I'm kind of wishing I had shaken first. I'm inclined to add a little gold, because it's mostly going to be background color. I think the sky might just stand alone. I'm contemplating adding in some of my Anita's black metallic, but I want to try some of this Aztec bronze. Hopefully it doesn't come out too well and I don't like it too much, because that makes it tough to keep working. I might want to try some of this Indigo Violet in a minute. Don't know why, but I'm being called to turquoise. I really want some green. A little Fandango never hurt anybody. should actually be interesting if I'm lucky. Well, I thought I was going to do a transfer on top of this, but chances are good I'm not. I want to steal some of this paint. To take a look at this. It's actually pretty neat. I'm trying to get more texture in my work. Alright, not what I really intended to begin with, but that's okay. I should probably put some trees in. I could do that tomorrow. I could do that now. How would I do that now? I don't know. I want to fix something I see. Don't want to mess with anything that's going to pull paint off the canvas. I do need a skewer and some Fandango. And maybe a little bit of that Royal Sapphire. Although it could easily enough be. Now let's try that first. Definitely need more. More cactus colors. I want some of that indigo violet without dropping my dish. Whoa! That was quite the lightning strike. Good thing about trees, if I mess them up I can always come back and fix them tomorrow, hopefully. Be nice to get them right now though. Alright, simple enough. I like the desert landscape. And I love using my spatula. I could put a sun in the sky. Every time I shine my cell phone's flashlight in the sky and see a reflection, it makes me think I should put a sun in. Or a moon sometimes. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.